Erica here. If you've ever wanted to dump ingredients in a pot, walk away and come back to perfectly cooked meals that taste like you spent all day in the kitchen, the Instant Pot Pro Plus is about to become your new best friend. This is the smartest, most connected Instant Pot ever made. It has built-in Wi-Fi and works with Alexa and the app, and I've been using it every single day for the past 2 months. Today, I'm giving you the complete breakdown, every feature, the real pros and cons from actual cooking, and exactly who needs this in their life right now. Let's start with the big upgrades that make the Pro Plus different. It's a 6-quart stainless steel pot with 1,100 watts of power, 10 built-in cooking functions: pressure cook, slow cook, saute, rice, yogurt, sous vide, steam, sterilize, cake, and keep warm. The lid seals automatically, the steam release is hands-free and super quiet, and the inner pot has silicone handles and a flat bottom so you can use it on the stove to brown meat first. The control panel is a bright touchscreen with a big dial, and it remembers your last settings. The real game changer is the Wi-Fi and app. You can start, stop, change time or temperature, and get notifications on your phone from anywhere. It comes with over 2,000 guided recipes in the app. Pick one, it sends the exact settings to the pot, and even tells you when to add ingredients. There's also Alexa skill. I literally say, Alexa, start rice, and it does it. Now the real life pros, because this thing is incredible. It cooks fast and even, a whole chicken in 30 minutes, perfect rice every time, yogurt overnight, sous vide steaks that are restaurant quality. The app control means I start dinner from work or the gym and it's ready when I walk in. The pot is truly one pot cooking. Brown on the stove, pressure cook, done. Cleanup is easy, pot and lid are dishwasher safe, and the steam release is way quieter than older models. The guided recipes are actually good and take away all the guesswork. Honesty time, the cons. The Wi-Fi setup can be tricky the first time, especially if your network is complicated. The app sometimes lags or disconnects, it's not perfect. The pot is heavier than basic models, and the 6-quart size is great for families but might be too big for singles. It's premium priced compared to non-smart Instant Pots, and sous vide tops out at 95 degrees Celsius, so not for super high-end sous vide fans. My final recommendation after 2 months of daily use: if you love the idea of starting dinner from your phone, want guided recipes that always work, or just want the most advanced Instant Pot with the best pot and lid design, the Pro Plus is 100% worth it. Busy professionals, parents, or anyone who wants perfect results with almost no effort, this is your pot. Skip it only if you never use apps or want the absolute cheapest option. Ready to cook smarter? Click the link in the description to grab the Instant Pot Pro Plus at the best price. It supports the channel too. If this helped, smash like, drop your favorite Instant Pot meal below, share with your cooking friends, and subscribe for more real kitchen reviews. Quick reminder, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching. Now go make dinner from your couch.